Hello everyone, welcome to this quick comparison between Stripe versus Shopify payments and which one is best payment processor. Now, as you can see, if you want to build a store on Shopify, you may wonder about the payment processors, right? Shopify payments versus Stripe, which option would you choose? Now, as you can see, Stripe is a third-party solution built for many e-commerce platforms to take the work out of billing, right? With Shopify payments, it provides its own payment solution. That means if you don't use Shopify payments isn't an available option anyway, right? So right here, we can see off the bat that if you don't use Shopify, you cannot use Shopify payments, right? So that means that you will, in most cases, you will use Stripe. So this is biggest pro for Stripe, right? And biggest con for Shopify payments. Now, as you can see, Shopify payments versus Stripe comparison. Here's basically the table, Stripe versus Shopify payments. You can see here that Stripe is available in, or currency is accepted in 135 plus currencies actually, and 85 currencies for Shopify payments. Now, Stripe is available in 37 countries and Shopify is available in 17 countries. So when just looking at these two here, I can see Stripe has much better features than Shopify payments just because it has more currencies. If you're working worldwide, this is really important. And then it's also available in more countries than Shopify payments. Now, Stripe and Shopify payments have a really similar average payout time, which is 2 business days for US-based businesses, and can vary with customized payout schedules, right? Now, with Shopify payments, over 4,000 apps are available to integrate with Shopify platform, but not all apps will be compatible with Shopify payments. Now, over 450 integration options are available for Stripe, which is a lot less, but all 450 integrations are working well. Now, high chargeback rate. Again, Shopify may shut down your whole Shopify store, which is a big con in my eyes. But when it comes to Stripe, Stripe can ban your Stripe account only, right? And you can create another Stripe account or create maybe PayPal account or any other account, right? So this is big con for Shopify, right? Or when it comes to live chat, I think with customer support, Stripe has a better customer support. Shopify has also good customer support, but Stripe has much better customer support, right? Basically, who wins this battle, right? What I would say Stripe, because Stripe has more currencies, right? It's available in more countries. Again, it has good integration options. You can integrate with a lot of e-commerce platforms. Stripe can only ban your Stripe account, right? While Shopify can shut down your whole Shopify store. And Stripe has better customer support as well, which I would definitely say that Stripe is the winner of this debate. Now, comment down below what you think, which one is winner in your eyes. For me, it's definitely Stripe. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.